station over here.
Moving.
No, the contract.
Copy
Ah,
that.
entendido.
Fixed objective located. Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is closing in. Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location. Found. Solid work. Aid station here.
Estación médica.
Take cover. Solo quedas tú. Does anyone need this?
Uno necesita esto. Vehículo ligero aquí.
Se acaba el tiempo. A la zona objetivo. I'll drive.
Yo conduciré.
UAV enemigo arriba. Enemigo entrando en el área. I'll drive.
Yo conduciré.
Contrato cumplido. Buen trabajo.
Gracias.
Fuera.
Gracias.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Assault
Fin de
rifle
asalto
here.
aquí.
I'll take.
Me lo llevo.
LMG here.
Zona ligera aquí.
Gracias. Gracias.
Body
Ya
armor
hay
here.
blindaje corporal.
Gas is moving. Gas acercándose. Vean la nueva zona segura.
En
Moving.
movimiento.
Enemies in the area.
la zona! ¡Contacto!
Got gas moving in. Perdiendo terreno.
¡Contacto!
We're in the safe zone. Watch for enemy.
¡Contacto!
Enemies in the area! Enemies in the area! Enemies in the area!
¡Enemigos en la zona!
Enemies in the
¡Enemigos en
area.
la zona!
UAV enemigo arriba. Supply box located. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy UAV overhead. I'm here. Moving.
¡Movimiento!
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. Moving.
¡Movimiento!
Enemies in the area.
Down. Down.
It's all up to you now. Go for the win.
Ooh.
We lost that one. Come back stronger next time.
Fellas, you can't let her keep doing this. Taking your Old Spice deep hydration with aloe body wash. It's unacceptable, King. Time and time again, she's been taking your Old Spice deep hydration.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment.
You gotta speak up for yourself. Don't let you see there's nothing there. Check out Old Spice lotion too.
Need something a little more intense than camping sheep? Curl up and listen to Scary to Sleep, a podcast full of spooky bedtime stories. New episodes every Thursday. Tap the button to start listening to Scary to Sleep, free, only on Spotify.
Bigfoot? Don't know him. Loch Ness Monster? Never heard of her. Work silos? They are everywhere. But Asana lets you see everything the team is doing in one place. No silos. You can prioritize projects, balance team workloads, and remove hurdles. Now isn't that nice? Visit asana.com to try for free.
Enough practice. Time for the real thing. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Three, two, one, go.
YOLO.
Now I'm waiting for that too. That Rose 2.0. I don't know if it's
Eliminate
just a
all
rumor
targets
or
in the AO.
true. I haven't checked the store. Yeah, I'd probably buy the operator.
Bounty target identified.
Request recon flyover.
UAV entering the AO.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert. Have I got? Friendly UAV overhead.
Target appears hostile.
Here I go.
Broke, he's broke.
Dude, no mames, dude.
Oh shit.
Body armor here. Gas is closing in. Waypoint marked. Enemy dropping into the AO.
You guys have ammunition
Track
box?
time expired. We lost the target. Anyone have armor for me? Anyone have armor for me?
Yeah, we can buy loadout.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Go get that job. You're safe. You lost the enemy trackers.
Dropping money.
Water cash here. Friendly UAV overhead. There is the cash.
What happened?
Friendly loadout drop on the way. Marking waypoint.
Can I have 200? I'm gonna buy ammunition box. Can I have 200? Hidden pants. Oh, it's not enough. 500 more. Sorry.
Does anyone need this?
Here's the change.
Plunder cash here. Warden is marked.
Thank you. We better get inside the circle now.
You're right, actually. Let's get the car and go to the circle.
Oh shit.
Go get that job.
Are you getting shot?
Enemy launched an
Oh, I thought I
advanced
forgot
UAV.
something.
We're exposed.
Did you guys get the plate box?
Yeah, I need plate too.
Oh shit, I dropped. Oh yeah.
Enemy UAV overhead. Body armor here.
Oh, it's a first wave. I think it's a first wave, right?
Go you
Let's go to the stadium.
Loadout drop heading your way. Enemies in the area! Enemy! Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Mark them. We should.
Tactical ski body armor here. Does anyone need this? That knife here.
In the middle, by the stadium.
Enemies in the area!
One more shot.
I've got you!
Can you guys cover me?
Enemies here! Target down! Here! Gas is closing in. Hostile enemies here.
Keep firing.
Around them.
You still there?
I don't know. I downed him, but he disappeared.
Oh, he's probably running right now.
Yo, he's under here, 8.5 meters.
Have I got? Enemies here.
Oh, he's here.
He dipped.
Hostile spotted.
Oh, he's still here. 44 meters.
I'll start thinking.
Someone got shot at.
I lose him every time.
Troops in contact. Contact! Moving.
Here.
Oh, shoot. Oh, thank you.
Oh shit, there's still women there. Orange pin.
Okay.
We're going to the fire station. Thank you.
Mark them, please. Behind me.
Marking waypoint. Troops in contact.
It's not safe.
There's still one in front of me. Wow.
They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Campers. Let's see where's he at.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, wait for your turn now. Be ready.
Yeah. He's at the window, aiming at the window. He's still at this place. Good stuff.
Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, the fight is over. You're up, soldier. Sort them out or capture the objective.
Let's go. Let's see if I can go with my guns real quick.
Does anyone need this?
Oh, it's loot. Oh, I'm in.
Time
Oh,
running out.
shit.
Get to the target area. Gas is moving. Contract complete. Your payment has been authorized. We're not all here. Regroup in a safe zone. Roger, transport. Waypoint marked. That seat's mine. Your team is KIA. It's up to you now. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Does anyone need this?
Is that on the top? Oh, shit.
Supply box ready for pickup. Contract update. New objective identified. Enemy UAV overhead.
The closest buy station here.
Vendor here. Aid station location is marked. Buy station. I see. Cancel that. Contract update. New objective identified. Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Ah!
Fought hard out there.
Yeah, I'm playing another game.
For debrief.
Sorry, guys.
Indicating waypoint. Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Enemy soldier incoming. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your
3,
team, soldier.
2, 1, go.
Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone. Enemy soldier incoming.
Damn. Time I get there, it's already over. Just kidding.
I'm a little low, so I might not make it there a lot.
Just make it to the bridge.
I'm probably gonna be landing at these houses. I cannot make them.
There's a chopper over there. So I can get there faster.
There's a where?
Enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert. Contact! Enemy vehicle!
There's two chopper side by side. I don't think it's a good idea. Gonna land over here. Hey, green.
Contact!
Yo, I'm gonna land here for a minute because I got lost. I'm gonna press some guns off for a minute.
Someone's in this
Enemy
house.
UAV overhead. Moving.
Both service are gone. Oh, you got AK, nice. I always like this. Anyone needs a ride?
What?
To the summit. Anyone needs a ride to the summit?
Yeah, I'm
The
here.
blue and
I'm in fire station.
Yeah, it's late at now, not this stuff. The other people. Oh shoot.
Someone at the bottom.
Eyes on enemy.
Okay, like
Ah, shit.
I see him.
There's 3 of them in there. Or 2 of them.
They're shooting at me.
Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Oh shit. I thought it's an auto rifle.
If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
Target appears hostile.
Hey, yo, Green, there's some people around you too. You got company. I'm stuck.
Hostile patrol.
Hey, let's go back around purple. It's too dangerous being around here if we die. They about to freaking load out.
Out with me. Follow my lead. Ah, so there they are. Contact.
Thank you, John Bernard.
We lost that one, but we'll come back stronger next time. yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly.
What happened to the jams?
Hoppable.
Camera, móteme. Run. Good night, cool.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Itamo, yeah, hey, yeah, hey.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the side. Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Let's go.
Tagging a bounty contract, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team.
Bio, yeah.
Destroy the gas. Get to the safe zone.
What up? Oh shit.
Let's go.
Oh, my cousins them just showed up. That's why.
The primary objective is to kill them all.
UAV entering the AO.
I'm gonna space out for a minute, so.
You guys gonna get the bounty? Ooh, shit.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Be advised,
Oh shit, I got the wrong one.
The target area. You don't have long.
Help! Oh, he's on the roof.
Trophy system deployed.
An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
Is he still on the roof or what?
Nobody. There's nobody in there.
Should we get a loadout?
Alright, I'm back to normal.
John Wayne's hit, where ya hey, yeah, hey,
Gas moving in.
oh wait. Run. Hey.
Run! Run!
Hey, how we gonna get it or what? Where's the money? Here.
Okay,
we need
load
money.
up, load up.
Money.
Oh, let's go,
Money,
let's
yeah,
go.
load up. Oh shit, there's no
Oh, there's
loadout
nobody.
here. It's in the back.
At the back, at the back.
Alright. Too busy fucking around.
Oh, gas. I'm gonna drop the money over here.
We're just... Where's the money? There's gas
Ryan,
mask right there.
throw it inside the circle.
Where's the money? 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 Where's the money?
Throw it inside the circle.
I need more.
Oh shit.
1500. Who has money?
I don't have money.
Come on.
Already drop it.
Helicopter. Alright, let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here. Next flight station, I think, is over there.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Oh, what happened, man?
Oh shit. Can you make it or no?
Yeah.
Probably not.
New safe zone located.
Bye-bye.
No man left behind unless it's gas. That shit fucks you up.
Unless you have a gas mask.
Someone threw a car.
Oh shit!
Where?
I almost jumped out in the water.
Oh. I still need some more cash, man.
Here, I got 1600.
I was trying to do it. Oh.
It's only 750, right?
Yeah, somewhere around there. Yeah, where's that?
Dropping my money by the buy station.
Alright.
Gas here. Let's check it.
Oh, you need more money?
No, I got it. Come on, get in that fucking.
Drop it at the back.
Friendly loadout drop on the way. I'll take the wheel.
I don't need no loading. I really don't.
What? I can't even get fucking ammo?
Ammo. Let's buy ammo.
What's up? Alright. Hey, how much cash do you? You got that bottle?
Purple.
Gas is inbound. Head to that vehicle. Launching rocket.
Buy an ammo.
Enemy UAV overhead. I'm hit.
What are you on push to?
Acknowledge. Close it. Get to the new safe zone. Acknowledge.
Let's
Enemy
go.
UAV overhead. Fire zone down. Buy station costs are adjusted. Move up.
Dropped him.
In their sight.
Killed him.
25 remaining. Nicely done. Sniper rifle here. Fire zone done. Prices are back to normal. Stand by for coordinates. Objective is to eliminate the bounty target. closing in.
Oh,
Check your fire.
From where? From where? From where?
get inside, get inside. Cover me.
Do that again, I would kill you myself.
He's got money.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. Body armor here.
Do you guys know which way?
Let's go up.
We're not gonna get trapped.
Roof. Let's go. Where you guys at?
We're at. Here?
I climbed up the ladder. Fuck. Let's go on the roof.
Got gas moving in.
Oh shit.
Hold fire.
I'll get him. I'll
Oh,
get him.
shit,
I'll get him.
Fire the gas mask.
I'll get him. You go.
Run! Just go inside. Oh shit! Just go. Ah, didn't make it. Behind you.
Yeah, he went down right there too.
Fuck. I have no more ammo.
Nine enemies are still active. Hunt them down.
Oh shit!
The fucking gas! Damn.
Play again with team or what?
yourselves a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. You're done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Lods. Sama ko lang tropa ko, Lods. Turuan ko lang. Bago lang kasi. May spot kayo? Dalawa o isa? Sama ko lang tropa ko, Lods.
Walang sama-sama.
Tuturuan ko lang daw. Ila, thank you sa invite.
Sige, tol.
When a man with schizophrenia disappeared from his boarding house, the police didn't think much of it. They said he was more likely missing than murdered. His social worker disagreed.
And I explained what we were going to do. We were going to go out to see about Bert. And she tells me, you better take some shovels with you.
To find out what happened, tap now to listen for free on Spotify and follow the pink footprints.
I'm Peter Schrager, one of the hosts on NFL Network's Emmy-nominated Good Morning Football and an insider on Fox's NFL coverage. And on Season 2 of Flying Coach, I'll be joined by Sean McVay, the head coach of the Los Angeles Rams. Each week, Sean and I will be joined by a prominent guest to discuss the latest news from around the NFL and tell untold stories from our careers. More than anything, though, it'll be friends chopping it up unfiltered. So join us every week on Spotify or wherever you get your podcasts.
Don't miss the savings during Lowe's Just for Pros event. Stop by the Pro Desk and get an extra 5% off volume savings orders over $1,500. Plus, look for more savings across the store, including tools, paint, lighting, and other pro essentials to help you get the job done right. Shop today at Lowe's, the new home for pros. Discount on eligible product only and reflected in quote. Terms and exclusions apply. See Pro Desk in store for details. Now through July 30th. U.S. only.
Baka magamit to yun, boss. Knock, boss. Oh. Sa top J mic mo. Mic check, mic check. Check.
Hello. Test. Mic check.
The boss. Mag ko.
The boss. Opo. Pabuhat.
Uy. Sa bali boses mo ito ito Warzone. Minggit.
Pang radyo.
Pang radyo. Ay, sino katamgayan?
Pangit ko. Pangit ti earphone ko.
Mayat. Mati ka na. Klaro. Di kaya mo kaya yaman. Pag-training.
Urenya.
Una pa lang ayam mo. Una naiparas mo.
Nakaduwa.
Ito yung ayam mo. Battle Royale. Rebirth.
Well, Battle Royale. Badas ko taptay eh.
Okay. Start ko. Duos ti kata. Tayo ko. Sige. Paano lang mismo basit?
Sige.
Yo. Payo awan ti mission nyo tata. Awan ti kayo. Trabaho yaw.
Day off.
Yaw. Oy. Awan shot.
Get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon.
Ni Brian ti kaya ayam ko na tatuma. Bakit tayo sa belo tayo niya?
Wait, nasa belo.
Brian Tika. Ay, ayaw ko ng daduma.
May kawak tayo lang tipano.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Playtime
May kawak controller
You're
na.
going to the war zone.
Oh. Okay, ayaw ka PUBG dati?
When,
Mas lakas dyan sa mo lang dati eh. Diyan mo eh. Andiyan mo kaya ayaw ka PUBG.
PUBG yung mobile.
Agkata pala, bumabata pala nga dyan ko. Ano na nga busy.
Paano, tiga surutan? Ano ka? Nag-auto ko?
Pinak lang, ano nyo kaya mo? Mabalimot,
Set a drop point for your team, soldier.
Toy, mabalinda rin toy. Orange.
Kaya mabalin.
Tama dyan map. Ag-drop kan. Ag-drop kan.
Sige, sige.
Makita mo dyan mapa kayo na map. Napin ko dyan orange. Sige, titan eh, titan. Titan.
Dayo ako.
Titan eh.
Sige. Kada yung nag-drop up open na.
Di downtown, nakapanam.
Naganda ba dako?
Downtown sa lahat ha? Won, downtown. Market ta, market ta. Wala ang dito eh. Dan sa mo lagas na tayo PUBG, di ba? Sa circle nga pumasabas it.
Ang kopay kabisado ato yung map na kaya.
Nalawa.
Nga na, upay paltog ko.
Ino na nga makaalat ipaltag eh. Alak ti contract bounty.
Mo 800 ko.
800. Ayos. No, maayos mo ito dyan loadout mo ka. Oh, maayos. Mabalinta gumatang ti loadout ta. Maayos mo ito dyan loadout mo ka. Basta dyan bounty, tayam mo. Adayo. Kalaban dito eh. Yung nga to.
Wait.
Eh, kung mabagayam lang ito yung sinig.
Ayun mo.
Tala dyan ka, entrance. First floor. Nakalaban may isa.
Get the first floor.
Patay mo. Ito lang yung entrance eh.
While you wait, feel free to give these wankers a proper cheering.
Panak entrance.
Find something to throw, feel free to give them that as well.
Saka mo na double lang dyan.
Here we go. Get ready to fight.
Diwaga.
Ada.
Win here and you return to the front line.
Nagulag na. Gulag.
Sort them out or capture the objective.
Ngabak.
Sending you back to base. Your team can still
Ikat
buy you back
gulag
if
eh.
they have the cash.
Oh!
Tadji ka nigid mo. Tata. Oh, likod, likod.
Learn from the loss. Failure's the proper teacher.
Ate, nakapoy.
Oro shock. Bibayaga ko kung nakapilat ha.
Bumaba? Okay na na. Mga laptop ko nato, keyboard na kan mouse.
Kung sa ti raramidin na kita ko. Nakita ka dito mga kayayam ko. Naka-keyboard ko, mouse lang ako. Naka-PlayStation.
Balin sa amin connect control man.
Ano kayayam ko nga ako eh. Taga Pilipinas mo, ado mo. Kayayam ko nga ako eh. Naka-online to ni Brian. Nakatalo tayo na ko. Matiming na ko. No day off naman. Mag-timing kayo. Brian, nakatalo tayo. Paano?
Pagbabike mo aga.
Ni Brian?
Ayun.
Ni Brian nga pinsang ka? Ha?
Ay ni Brian nga ni kwa. Ano?
Ni Brian nga kwa call.
Daji ko iso na. Daji pela Dubai so na.
Fine.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
No, kwa. No, may besang ko mabali yung kag-practice sa EJ ko. Plunder.
Ay, Plunder.
Plunder. Kala ko lang. Awan tigas na di ay. Nga circle. Basta pinado lang ti kwarta.
Padasok ko man.
Adas ta madam-dam ah. Alpas da ito eh.
May kawak pala si controller. Paano namin si PC oh.
PCT ko kapisado.
Cellphone kid ya.
Cellphone.
Enemy dropping
Okay,
into the
ayaw
AO.
mamut ini.
Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Padasok to ko ah. Mangi-connect ti... Ang gabi kasi yung pagpidaro niya mo. Kasi surutong ka nga lumakto. Basta ko.
Jadi ya. Oh, kita MJ mapa ko kwa. Diyan mo nun niya shortcut na ti PlayStation eh.
Got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Kita. Kung makita mo mapa, makita mo pin ko no niya ti pagdrapan ta.
Data.
Orange. Orange pin.
Sige.
Awan ti contract pas basit tao. Tapay ko mapasit tao. Dalat tama.
Dua.
Dada. Saan nakagidang ko? Paltog to.
Paltog.
Dami.
Yun nga naman, nagado nga paltog.
Tatouting nga to.
Ito yung larwar.
Ay. Wada.
Hindi, kaya nga, lukat na ruangan na ako.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture the objective.
Ah, mga baka.
You back to base. If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
Nadalik din may isang pet.
Dalim. Nice. Sino si Nogan?
Ang bausod TJ ko ah. Mabati ang kuna.
Dapat ko eh. Panikit. Dagayam ka nawan. Ay, datan. Ay! Naglag to. Invite tati ko. Kadwa ta. Ngamawan mic da. Ilocano mo lang. Mic na rin ito eh. Nabaybayagan. Di mo lang gumatang mic na ito. Sama kaya umayan. Ino sa kalam. Nakadwam. Barbaro lang ni Kwa, ni Lemor. Ilocano mo lang. Siyan. Mikey oh. Ilocano mo lang suna.
Kaya ko nagaguma.
Kabarbaro kami lang ha. Kami una yan mo.
Newbie.
Newbie kami pala. Nakpaya mo una ito controls. Kaya mo. Controls. Din ako. My dudes.
Oh, pabuhat.
At titi lang ang sakalab dito eh. Si Titi lang ang sakalab. Ulitin ko lang. Ilocano ka din? Siyan o Tagalog? Nakakaintindi ka Tagalog? Ilocano? Sakalam. Awan sa amat kaya na makilabang kanya tayo eh. Mabutang da. Searching pala. Ay, dan. Sa launa eh. Atin mo kami garod ah. Atin mo kami. Garod ah. Atin mo kami.
Holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh.
Sun warming up. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Guys.
Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for you.
Papanan natin.
Gas is
Papanan ba natin?
Move to the safe zone.
Tingka, Titi na sakalam. Kita yun, T-Blue. Looping.
Clear to engage all targets.
Looking na na.
Kalaban?
Nahulog.
Made in China yung parachute.
Made in China. Talking na na.
Enemies in the area! Enemy UAV overhead.
Wala pang baril.
Nice. Barrel dito.
Sniper rifle here.
Nga.
Assault rifle. SMG
Paltog
here.
ti na tayo. Paltog ti na tayo.
More armor right here.
Ada armor dito eh. Anti-armor mo.
Moving.
Heading this way. Vendors here. Rearm and resupply.
Itod ko kanya meta ti ko. Ti armor. Ini.
Body armor here.
Ito. Itod ko kanya. Mag-armor.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Load out. Okay. Go.
Vendor here if you need equipment. Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Paling ka mga alat iba. Paltog mo dito no. Sa loadout mo.
Okay.
Losing ground. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemies in the area.
Hostile operator.
Abigat to kaya na.
Duda. Tarloda. Anak din marup ke. Nagaduda mo kaya.
Fight to earn redeployment.
Pagtayamin ah.
Soldier, win here and you return to the
Tayamin.
front line. But if you lose, you're done. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Ano mo yung mesa.
Anyone need this?
Online. Gusto mo maglaro? Ha?
Nice.
Being tracked by an enemy team. Stay sharp. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Supply box located. Move to secure.
Walang lag. Ay, di ba, kung close range ka, huwag ka mag-hit. Ang fire lang ang nakakapit.
Next objective located.
Sa kalam. Uy! Uy, naubusan ng bala. Naubusan ng bala ang putya.
Lost that one, but we'll come back stronger next time.
Ano dyan may isa? Trios. Q, bossing! Ay, teka lang. Ada invite mo? Da invite mo titina sa kalam. Yare siyan. Da invite mo. Yare siyan. DC. Ayos lang. Lahat tayo na DDC. Meti connection mo. Ito. Meti ang smooth.
Met.
Yeah, Meta garet.
Yo pa.
Litok lang. Litok. Mabutang da. Pixel ako na ti grupo tayo. Mabutang da.
Pag last game at bossing ta kami, Sabado pa nagiinom.
Sige, 1-1. Inom, shot.
Ha? Uy.
yourselves a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Done warming up. Stand by for deployment to the wall. Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
Nantayaw. Adi sino naman si Sian
Tayo.
Ay mga lods. Lodies. Adi sino naman si Sian Ay mga lods. Lodies. Dami
Enemy here.
Alright, lads, let's get it done. Enemy launched an advanced UAV.
Kalingat tayo dyan.
Fight to a redeployment. Fight's begun.
Yo, pa.
Boss, sige boss. Sige boss. Bakal. Boss, sige boss.
Be advised, your teammate got their arse RTB at this time.
Out.
Pay attention, you'll
Out
be
na
able
bossing, out.
Sige boss, sige
Bigat,
boss.
pambigat naman.
Bigat naman
Okay, pambigat naman.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
feel free to give them that as well.
Out na bossing, out.
Sige boss, sige boss.
Pambigat naman.
Bigat naman
Pambigat naman.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Time for a bit of argy-bargy. Get ready to fight, you're next. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Go back to the front line. closing in.
Moving.
Alpas to yan?
Moving.
And...
Contact! Enemy dropping into the air.
Oh, shit. Taas pala ang putya. Tinag na tinag.
I'm driving.
Not dead yet, honey.
Alright, passenger. Enemy UAV overhead.
More armor right here.
Contact!
What move?
Dropping.
Moving.
Enemies in the area! Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Uy.
They hit us hard that time, but we'll settle the score.
Teka. Nagkan? Pimanawan. Tumbigat to ka no? Anong inisyanan? Kayatan. Hello? Si? May kasama ka?
Wala.
Walay? Wala?
Wala.
Isa pa. Invite ka. Walang mic siya na eh. Pero magta-type na lang siya.
Sige.
Sino pa ba?
Wala. Naka-in-game sila.
Kita ka ng isa pa. Gusto nila. Sano pare? Spunik. Tatlo muna. Kapatid ko, wait natin. Sige. Kain natin yung kapatid mo. Mga ilang oras? Kaumpisa mo lang, Lods? O kanina pa? One minute. Okay. 1 minute. Senyorito
Bro, sama ka?
Benito.
Yo, what's up? Sama ka? Ilan kayo? Tara, laro, puta.
Tapat, tara. Abuhat Lods.
Hindi ako nagbubuhat. Ako yung binubuhat.
Ayos.
Now's a good time to warm up. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ayan mga lads.
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
I'll take that.
Sana kagad.
Confirm that bounty contract.
Parang, alisan dyan. Aga ko naman bumaba.
Alright, lads, let's get it done. Bounty target has been marked. Kill them.
Harap lang, sir. Ano na eh?
Laban?
Wala, joke lang. May mic ba sila, bro? Hindi ko sila marinig.
Walang mic si ano. Si nasa kalam.
Okay.
May mic si Pixie. 7.
Meron dito? Sa Camellia marami.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
Ay kulang pa. Yung kompleto.
Kaya na ba?
Kaya na.
Tara. Load out tayo.
Blunder cash here.
Kaya na ba? Ano ba?
5k pa yung
kaya na.
diba? Sa kanila.
Dito.
May ammunition box ako
Sige, bro. Bobo.
Loadout drop on the way.
Sila lang ang armor ah.
Does anyone need this?
May nalakas daw ng graw.
Binak ba ulit? Hindi ko... Wala akong balita
Binak na ulit, bro. Sobrang lakas, gago. Oo, pre. Meta siya ngayon, tol. Kaya nag-plunder ako ginamit ko, gago. Lakas po. Tara, dito tayo sa neighborhood.
Ram 7 gamit.
Binak yung graw, bro. Sobrang lakas ng graw, pre. Seryoso.
Yan ba ang gamit mo ngayon?
Oo, pre. Gulat nga ako eh. Binapatan nila yung mga Modern Warfare guns, pre. Pati M13, malakas.
Sighting in.
Tao dyan, sir. Okay. Di pa looted dito. Ipon tayo money for UAV, sir. Over here. Ay, may nag-UAV na. Ay, may nag-load out na.
Meron dito.
Oy! Hindi mo napansin yun? Ay, shit!
Uy, saan yun?
Naka,
Sa west side.
Ano pa yun bro Nakatawag doon. Loot na baril. Grabe lang ako sa manon.
Kasi.
Shit!
Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Sort them out or capture the objective. You're heading back to base. If your team has the cash, they can pay for your release.
Sila patayin ko ka. Tinigi movement, kaya lang. Saan tayo pre? Uy, gago nangyari. Alright bro, wait lang. Kalaban? Taas mo ng photo. Mendot mo dito, kukunin ko yung sub.
Mark on the grid.
Sheesh! Bakit pa ng baril ko dito na yun?
The whole team nandyan na.
Tangin na kasi ng scab na to. Taas ang puta. Bobo na scab.
Ano makukuha yan? Ay, sagda na pala.
Kaya dami yun. Saan ka namatay?
Ako? Tayo.
Kaya yung namatay. Hello, pera. Pumark ng buy shop. Ay, meron pala dito. Okay. Oy!
Hey.
Ay, gago ka. Bakit naman ganun? Naka-shield ako ah.
Sige. Punta ka sa tago. Punta ako dyan.
Yes sir, yes sir. Naka-right shield ako yung tangin ng... Oy. Safe ako dito sir, safe ako dito. Bilis-bilis habang ano. Bobo nila. Huwag tayo bay dito bro, huwag tayo bay dito. Pushing yan sila. Ito pre armor. Mark ng buy shop sir. Pupush yan sa atin ah.
Sige.
Oy, tayo, puta, tayo.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Dapat na ako dito. Sino una?
Ang pa ng 200.
Drop na lang pera dito. Bilan lang kayo. Ayun. Pera dito 2K.
Tapping money.
Yes sir, drop nyo lang bro.
Drop ko na doon.
Ano dyan, may... Yes sir, sabay buhay na kayo sa. Truck pala dito.
Uy, kalaban. Dito sa akin.
Saan?
On me. Sa likod ko lang.
Ilan?
Dalawa yata.
Enemy team is tracking your position.
Uy!
Uy, go! Uy! Uy! What the fuck? Ay, parang lumak yun ah.
Ay, hacker yan.
Di ako sure. Ewan ko na. Ano? Hindi ko alam.
Hirap sa downtown eh. Ay, nawala siya na. Wala si... Sakalam. Low. Eh, nangyari. Wala na? May isa pa eh. Sana, ayaw na yan eh. 7th eh. Kain. Kain muna daw sila. Wala na. Kain na siya na. Sige.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. Enemy dropping into the area.
Superman, no? Packet loss. Loss ng latency ka.
Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Nyari. Oo nga, yung taas eh.
Get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone.
Moving.
Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone. Alright, lads, let's get it done. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Positive ID on the mountain side. Sort them out.
SMG here.
Specialist achieved.
Si Coach Jigs naglaro ngayon ah. Ing nagigising lads. Ayos. Laro na.
Precision airstrike inbound.
Walang chicken loads. Late na rin ako nag-umpisa.
Contract time expired. We lost the target. Gas is closing in.
Spotted the Avenger here. Rearm and resupply.
Lalaro ka pa ba, loads?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Rearm and resupply.
Load out.
I'm driving. On y va.
Sige, Lods. Sige, Lods. Mamaya na lang.
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location. Enemy UAV overhead.
I see movement.
Your teammate got a proper sorting. We'll send you in a moment.
I see movement.
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Your teammate is redeployed. Enemy UAV overhead. Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out.
Care package marked.
Friendly loadout drop on the way. Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
There's an aid station here. There's an aid station. There's an aid station here. Ignore that. There's an aid.
I'll take.
Disregard my last.
You evaded the enemy track. Good work.
Care package marked.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Ang loadout ko.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Contact.
Dynamite's out! I've got you! Enemies in the area! Be advised, friendly precision airstrike inbound. Dynamite's out! Gas is closing in.
Press for the station.
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture the objective. You're heading back to base. Your team can still buy you back if they have the cash.
Care package spotted.
Friendly UAV overhead. Enemies in the area! Setting sequence.
Masuk.
I'll drive. Get in. Found a vendor. Get you supplies. I'll take that. There's an aid station here. I'll drive. Get in. I'll drive. Run! Get to the zone. Found a vendor. Get you supplies. I'm driving. On you go. I'll take that. Console cash here.
I'll take that. Hey, I'm moving this way. Anyone need this?
Ah. Thank you.
Body armor.
Armor pa si Mayor.
Mid caliber here. Light movement. Ignore that. I see movement.
Yan.
Cancel my last. Going this way. Does anyone need this? Right here, I'll take it.
Tuk ba tayo?
Hey, I'm moving this way.
Kaliwa.
LMG here.
Baril na rin. Sa wakas.
Small caliber here. Small caliber.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located. Enemy UAV overhead.
Here.
Tayo.
Moving.
Hey, I'm moving this way. Moving.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Heading this way. Workout moving.
Gas is closing in.
Enemy! Going here. Enemy!
Meron ba dyan? Orange.
Heading this way. Got movement.
SMG ba yan?
Got movement.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Moving.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Get in. I see movement. Get on my right.
Gas is moving. Get to the safe zone.
Care package marked.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I see movement. I see movement. I see movement. I see movement.
Come on. You're good. You're good.
Kada taunag.
I see movement. Mark out. Moving.
Kay plato man. It's mount. Kuwatan ta loadout mo dito ni. Ato.
We're losing ground. Let's move.
Eh, duwada.
10 enemies remain.
Anigid. Orange truck ada dyan eh. Ada revive. Ikod mo. Yun eh. Orange truck.